come closer, come here. We're going to listen to a story about a kind and brave robot Walle. Now it's the year 2024. But this story about Walle will be in the far, far, far future. It's the year 2805. And in the future, our planet Earth is very, very dirty. So our planet Earth is very, very dirty. There are houses, piles of dirt. Rubbish is everywhere on the planet. Our planet is not green, it's red. People can't live there. It's dangerous. People can die because the planet is dirty. On Earth, there are no trees, no flowers, no plants. There are no plants as well. And where are people? Where do people live? They live so this is space, sun, earth, space, and people live on a big spaceship in the space. And Walle a cute and kind little robot, lives on Earth. He's alone. There are no other robots, only Walle. No people, only Walle lives on Earth. And Walle has a job. He cleans up Earth. He cleans up the planet. No dirt. And Walle has a hobby. He collects interesting objects. He collects batteries. He collects light bulbs. And he collects yellow rubber ducks. So he goes to work. He cleans up the rubbish. And he finds interesting objects. He thinks, a battery. It's so interesting. How does it work? What is it? I'll take it. I'll bring it home. A light bulb. Wow, it's so interesting. I'll take it. I'll bring it to my collection at home. A yellow rubber duck. It's so bright. It's so yellow. Well, orange, but yellow. I'll take it. It's so interesting. And at home, he has a TV. And he watches people dance. And he wants to dance too. But he has no friends, he has no people, he has no robots, so he can't dance. He's alone. One day, Walle goes to work. He cleans up the rubbish and, oh my God, what is it? He finds a plant. Oh my God, it's so green, it's so beautiful, it's so unusual. I'll take it. It's special, it seems special. And Walle takes it to his collection at home. And that day, a spaceship lands on Earth. Eve, another robot, is now on Earth too, together with Walle. Walle is no longer alone. Eve's mission on Earth is to find a plant. She tries to find a plant and she scans Earth. Walle likes Eve. Walle thinks that Eve is beautiful and he wants to be friends with Eve. And Walle wants to learn more about Eve. Who is she? What's her name? What does she like? But Eve doesn't want to be friends with Walle at first. Eve says, I'm fine on my own. I'm fine alone. Stay away from me. I have an important job to do. I need to find a plant. Later, there is a sandstorm. Walle has a home. He can be safe there. No danger at home. But Eve doesn't have a home. So it can be dangerous for Eve. And Walle saves Eve. He helps Eve. He invites her to his home. And there, Walle shows Eve his collection. He shows batteries and Eve, oh, wow, what is it? It's so interesting. A light bulb? Wow. A rubber duck? Wow, it's so unusual. Wow, dancing, it's so interesting. And finally, Walle shows Eve the plant. And Eve scans the plant and she understands. This is what I've been looking for. This is my mission. I've made it. I found it. Yay! So Eve takes the plant inside her. There is the plant. She hides the plant there and she goes to a standby mode. Standby mode. So it's like she sleeps and she doesn't move. Walle is worried. He's worried. Oh my God, what's going on? And he tries to wake her up. Eve, wake up. Open your eyes. Eve, wake up. But Eve doesn't react. No, she doesn't move. She doesn't respond. He can't wake her up. He can't do this. Only a green button blinks. This button shows that Eve has a plant inside her. There is a plant hidden. And Walle takes care of Eve. He protects her from the rain, from the heat, from the sun. He protects her. He's a gentleman. He's so sweet. In a few days later, the spaceship lands on Earth again. It takes Eve and the plant. But Walle doesn't want to lose Eve. He wants to be with her. So, when the spaceship launches, he clings to the spaceship and flies to that spaceship, to the main spaceship, to people. He flies with Eve and the plant to people. And what about people there? How do they live? People on the spaceship are obese. People on the spaceship are obese. They're fat. They're lazy. They have special chairs. They use special chairs to carry them wherever they want. They can't take care of themselves. They can't do anything. Robots help them. Robots take care of people. Even the captain of this ship doesn't work. He's lazy. He relaxes all the time. He sleeps a lot. And captain has a helper. This is the autopilot. The autopilot controls the ship, not the captain. The captain is lazy. Autopilot works. Autopilot controls the ship. Walle and Eve and the plant are on this spaceship. Captain and the autopilot and robots don't see Walle. Walle is hiding. Walle, he sees Eve. And Eve has a plant. Her mission is done. And if people see the plant, the ship will go back to Earth. They can live on Earth if they find the plant. So, Captain says, oh, show me, where is the plant, Eve? Show me it, please. But Eve doesn't have the plant inside her. The plant is missing. Eve thinks that Walle is responsible for that. That Walle hid the plant. But Walle didn't do that. He didn't take the plant. The autopilot did it. The autopilot took the plant because he wants to destroy it, to kill it, to destroy the plant. Because the autopilot has a secret program. It mustn't return people on Earth. People must always live on the spaceship because the planet is dangerous. Is dangerous for their health. So the captain sees no plant. And this is the end of part 1. See part 2 next week. Bye bye.